middleware is there. Middleware takes the application of input and output. These are the example. Application is simply program, right? Web application is the application software, and it can be stored on CDs, DVD, and the hard drives. So entertainment software, education software, product engineering software, these are the application software. Education software, right now lot of education software available in the market, right? There is no need to read from the book. Directly we can listen, directly we can see the pictures of the particular product. That is the education software. So it is the more ideal thing today's right now, right? Other category of softwares, license software, freeware, open source, and the commercial software. See the figure, see the contents. These are the categories of software. License software means it is required the license, or we have to take the permission to use that particular software. It is the license software, right? No one can use that software without the permission. We have to pay some money, we have to take the permission of particular that company. Suppose the Microsoft is there, Microsoft version is the license versions. Suppose we are using the different OS, but it is required the license, right? So there are number of benefits of license. Suppose there are the different programs of Microsoft, like even if MS Office is also licensed version. So it is not freely available. We are using, but it is licensed version. So company have the rights, company have the authorizations. So everyone have to take the permission and to pay the particular fees of the particular program. That is the license version, right? So that's the second. See the content. The first one is the license. The second one is the see the content. Second is the freeware software. Freeware means you can access the software from anywhere. There is no paying fee, right? It is freely available through net, through market. There is no need to pay any fees. So that is the freeware software, right? So license, that is the main difference between license version and freeware software. License have the permissions. Freeware there is no permission, right? Open source software, open source and the freeware, there are slightly difference. There are some difference between the freeware and open source software. Freeware we can directly download, we can directly buy by the purchaser. There is no need to pay the fees. But open source we can edit, we can modify it as per our requirement. That is the open source software, and most of companies dealing in the open source software, right? So these are the several categories of software. License, freeware we cannot change, we cannot modify, right? But in open source we can modify, we can change our software. So these are the several categories of software. Even if the commercial, there are different software, we can say there are different commercial softwares also. So Tally or accounting software, it is the commercial software, right? So there are number of commercial software available in the market. So these are the several category of hardware software category, right? So today is the lectures of the revolution of hardware and software. So we have seen the number of things like hardware and software. We have also discussed, or I think the touchscreen technology, it might be less, right? It might be we just forget this technology, touchscreen. So nowadays you have the mobile of touchscreen. Before few years it have the keypad, it have the switch. Same thing now, the ATM is the example of touchscreen. Before few years the switch is there, keyboard the switch is there. But nowadays it is the era of touchscreen. So you can find this kind of application anywhere right now. So this is the, you can say, the progress of hardware technology, right? So this is the hardware and software revolutions, right? Please. This is the category. So any question you have regarding hardware and software revolutions, so you can ask. Hello. If you have any question regarding hardware and software revolution, the components.
Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.